What's up, traders? This is the weekly outlook video for Sunday, February 16th. Let's go. This past week we had CPI data out of the US, and it was pretty big market mover for sure. But this week, in terms of US data, it's pretty quiet. We have on Friday some existing home sales, but beyond that, unemployment claims on Thursday. But other than that, out of Aussie has a central bank. We do have FOMC meeting minutes, but the meeting minutes aren't exactly a huge deal most of the time. But we have NZD, RBNZ monetary policy on Tuesday, so that's going to be big. RBA statement for Australia. So, and then also too, Bank of England, I believe, retail sales and manufacturing. So it's going to be a core retail sales out of Canada too. So for the US, it'll be a little quieter, I would imagine, but we'll see. But let's take a look at Aussie dollar. Now, this is the 4-hour time frame, and we're in breakout mode, right? We're seeing a lot of weakness out of the U.S., especially after the this was the CPI data. Man, huge fake out, right? I guess you could call it that. Big push down, and then huge moves. So from Wednesday, this is GU, about 200 pips. Right on the long side. Euro USD, of course, it's not as big of a mover as the pound, but still, we're seeing some significant moves here. And also, one of my favorite pairs to trade, dollar CAD, is making some moves to the downside as well. So what I'll do is what I like to do for the next upcoming week: mark out some pullback zones, right? So here we go, dollar CAD, like I said, we're breaking down pretty significantly. But if we could plan out some sort of entry around one of these levels, that would be ideal. Will we get that deep of a pullback? I don't know. We'll see. But it's good to go ahead and have this mapped out, right? So if we can get a pullback here, for example, for the pound, this would be fantastic. And so I mapped it out. I'll use Fibonacci's, but then also just look for these key levels, significant zones, right? So that's what I'd be looking for moving forward, going into the rest or the upcoming week. And so if we take a look at some of these crosses, pound New Zealand's kind of going sideways. And GA, same deal. Got a nice short here in the previous week. But we can take a look at Eurowad. A little more to the downside, a little more of a move here. There's a huge breakout earlier in the previous week, which I actually tried to get into a short right around here when we hit into this level of resistance, but price really blew through that, and mostly due to that CPI data on on Wednesday. So the big things I'm going to be looking for to wrap it up is these dollar pairs. Going to be looking for pullbacks on the dollar, GU, specifically dollar CAD I like a lot, and dollar Swiss is making some serious moves. But I really like the way, because we have this big impulsive move, we go sideways, and now we're making another move lower. So dollar CAD, I'm going to definitely have my eye on. Let's have an amazing week. We appreciate y'all, and absolutely can't wait to see you guys crush it. Peace.